Welcome guys to a new video. So we're gonna let the hens out for training. So that's what we're gonna do first. Then we'll go and clean the loft. So there they go. So we can check the droppings. See, oh, really nice. So that's great. The hens are not training for 1 hour. Already 2 of them are back in. So when the hens back in, we will do the young birds. They can already go to the Sputnik, but no one's in. We clean the loft, nice and clean. We also did the feeding trays, we cleaned them out, some fresh squid in it as well. With the hens also, and with the young birds we just give them some fresh squid. Some food left from yesterday. So that one, the grizzly one, did makes his few first rounds around the loft. So maybe today the rest will also go after him. We will see. I did lock in the breeders just to make sure they won't escape. So when we have the young birds out, we will check here on the breeders, on the young birds from them. We also will clean out the drinker so that everything is nice and fresh. So we have the hens back in. We are missing one. It's the Belgian one. But yeah, we will see if she comes back or not. I didn't see anything that maybe it could be the bird of prey or anything else. So we will see. But now we'll release the young birds. I already have them in the Sputnik, so we go outside and then we will release them. So guys, the male ones and few hens did go in bot, as you can see. They already were taking a drinker, so I just placed the bot beside Sputnik. The hens we will always also do. These guys are done. We now have the young birds out. They are on the rooftop, right there. One is flying. 9 on the rooftop. There he goes. So the male ones are back in. They all did go into the bot. And now we will do the hens as well. We still have 9 in here. the Belgian one is still missing. So I will put this thing up and then the hens can go in. They can take a bath. They will, as you can see. The young birds still outside. Some are flying, some are just chilling. So everything goes fine with them. So we will check here with the young birds. We have those two that will go to a friend of mine. The pair is on 2 new eggs, so we will keep those for ourselves. Then we have 2 really nice ones right here. From this male one and the 708. It's the hen. And that pair with 1 egg, or at least 1 is fertile, and there we have 2 fertile eggs, so that's real nice. So the hens have been in bought as well. The last hen is also back, but she's still on the loft on the roof with the young birds. So she will come in when we call them in. So that means we have them all back, so that's great. So the hens are just chilling, drying up, looking real nice. You can see the humidity also wise whenever I had a bath. Now 54%. It was like 40, 45, something like that. And the temp is around 20 degrees. Here we still have the breeders locked, but I will open them. We will do these guys in the bath later on, not today. So guys, we have all the hens back. The last one was this one. We also did leave the hens out for the second time. Did it train like for 30 minutes. So yeah, it's not that necessary, but I just think we had the young birds out as well. They were all sitting on the roof. And I think I just leave them out for the second time. We won't do that every time, but today it was possible. So we also did clean out the Sputnik, as you can see. It's nice and clean, something. But yeah, we will feed the hens. You can see there is something left from this morning. So we will feed them and then we have that done. Also we will get the automatic feeding tray for the hens. Only for the hens. Because yeah, I want to make sure that everything is perfect with them. So that's why. Yeah, we did feed the birds. The ones with young birds and eggs, breeding mixture, and the other ones just the sport light mixture. So that's what we did. Okay guys, because it's Sunday, we gave the birds a light mixture. So it is 50 grams of the the spotlight mixture, and the rest will be purification mixture. Just for the system that on Sunday they will just get a light mixture. And that is what I want to fill in for the plan for the racing season. So that's why I give that today to the birds. So guys, we're here with the young birds. We need one more young bird to come back inside, but I'm not sure where he is. So we will see if he comes back. We also have the figuritas in here, the dropping pigeons. So we have 7 dropping pigeons, but I will give a few away. So the loft where they were in, we're gonna change some things up with that one. So that's why they are in here right now. And for now it's fine. But if we have the rest of the young birds, like 10 more, then it's a little bit too much. That pair is gonna pair for another round. And yeah, there won't be any more young birds for, at least for me, for this season. So just gonna feed the young birds in here. We have the food here. It's some breeding mixture, some spotlight mixture, and some purification mixture. So we are already lighting it a little bit up. So it's not only the breeding mixture, but yeah, it's for like 75%. It will be the breeding mixture. So we will feed the birds. We're just gonna feed them in a feeding tray, and then we'll give them some egg food. And also for the other birds in the first part of the loft as well. So guys, here we did give the birds with eggs or with young birds some egg food. So we also did with the young birds and the breeders as well. So we're done for today. So we had the birds in bath, outside, everything. So the birds are nice and clean. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. Would appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.